Thutha wa hujia ndini itiganite guothe bururi-ini kuregana na itacokia ria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kwenda guthondeka watho wa kuramata ndini icio, riu thirikari kugerera mutongoria wa ringi bunge-ini ya bururi Kimani Ichung'wa ni itheretie ndeto ino na kuga gutire na watho ta ucio ukinyitio bunge-ini.
So nikaona nikauliza Ngai, hiyo ndio iko any government bill must pass through my desk in Parliament. I have engaged with religious leaders last year, and they came to me through a bishop called Bishop Pulei from Kajiado. I went to Bishop Harrison's Nganga Church, where they had gathered, and I explained to them.
Kuringana na Ichung'wa akiaria hindi ya kigomano na atongoria a ndini ngũrani kuma Kikuyu muciĩ-inĩ gwake mwena wa Mayaihi, augite ndereti ciothe cia thirikari no nginyagia igere moko-inĩ make, ĩndĩ gũkinyeria rĩu gũtirĩ ndereti ta ĩyo amũkĩrĩte.
There are many proposals that come to Parliament. Zingine zinakuja from private members, zingine zinakuja kutoka kwa serikali. Ile ambayo ni ya serikali lazima ipitie kwa mkono yangu. Hii mnaita ya Mungatana ni proposal imetoka Senate, and I sent Mungatana to go and speak to those church leaders, and they agreed shelve it because it came from the Shakahola task. There was a task force or something, or a committee led by Reverend Mutaba Musimi, and they said we don't agree entirely on what is in even Musimi's report.
Indi ona kuhana oro uguo ni ahithuritie ati thirikari ni irageria kugacirithia watho wa kuhurana na wikinaĩ nenda-inĩ niguo cybercrime, kuona ni kuito irahuthira kuha na kuingiria mbeũ njithi witikio-inĩ mukiruku na muthia mbeũ njithi acio onao magatuika itoi.
People are being recruited online as terrorists. Mtoto amekaa ni Mkristo, unasikia ameenda kujoin Al-Shabaab na anabadilisha jina, anaitwa Almin Kimani Abdalla, na ni mtoto Mkristo. Look at the people who attacked Dusit. Some of them, are they Muslims? How are they recruited? Hata wale walipiga hoteli Mombasa online.
Mwenini wa atongoria acio a ndini ni matariirie gikeno kiao kumana na riboti iyo, guku ningi magitugiria ikinya ria Ichung'wa gutambura itemi ria ndini hari gukuria bururi.
This is a very sensitive time for politicians coming together with religious leaders, when some religious leaders have drawn a line and saying don't go beyond here. But we thank God that today we are not within any boundaries, because tunawakilisha bingu ambao tukiangalia na tukiitazama haina mipaka.
If it comes, it will go through all processes like all other bills, and religious leaders will have a say on what goes into the bill and what is not going to go into the bill.
Ngĩgũithĩranĩria marĩa marahanĩka kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Njau ya Kinuthia.